And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on YouTube. And this is Forex Trading Course 101. Everybody remember, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way the formula, which is MST. M stands for the market, S stands for the strategy, and the big one, T stands for the trader. Talking about the trader more in the Forex course too everybody. And yeah, I'm sorry for yesterday, I forgot about the meeting, And remember everybody, this is you. If you are not receiving webinar notifications from the JForex platform, please send an email to research@dukascopy.com and write that you are not receiving webinar notifications from the JForex platform. Moving forward, what do champion traders always say? Champion traders always say, I am not going to live and die on a trade-by-trade basis. And my quote on the left, everybody, when the market scares the hell out of you, don't be afraid to do the right thing. Okay? Hello Jordan, how are you? Remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. The webinars are not trading or investment advice. The webinars are for educational purposes only. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. For homeworks on questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and you can follow me on TradingView. That being said, let's go back to yesterday, everybody. And we talked about the market wave, right? And we talked about the rules of the market wave. We talked about the stop loss, and we talked about the entry. Okay, remember yesterday, everybody? Any questions about yesterday? You have a down market wave, down market structure. You have an up market wave, up market structure, and how you are going to see extension or retracement extension, it's from the change in the short-term trend. Make sense? Yeah, I'm sorry everybody. Somebody's typing, oh, you should not drink online. I talk too much, I need to hydrate. So, in the example yesterday, it was EuroCAD weekly chart, and we saw that if we don't follow the rules, everybody, of the stop loss, we are going to lose. And today we can talk about NZD-CAD weekly chart. NZD-CAD weekly chart, right? And remember, we are using the weekly charts and the monthly chart just to make it simpler. Okay? Now, this is for the beginner trader, everybody. Forex course 101. From the very first lesson, okay? Tradable patterns. Number one, monthly bands. Number two, market wave, also called market structure. And number three today, short term. Or let's make it simpler, right? So uptrends and downtrends. Okay, everybody? Somebody's typing, Freedom, what do you mean tradable patterns? As a trader, everybody, you are always trading some kind of patterns. Make sense? In one way or another. You can be on a 15-minute chart, 1-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart, daily, monthly, weekly. You are always, you might not be aware of it, but you are always trading some kind of patterns. Make sense? Now, this is the weekly chart, and we are here. Jordan, what do you think? Should we go long or should we go short? We are here right now. And everybody else, should we buy this market or should we sell this market? No, there is no right or wrong. What do you think? You want to make some pips and money, don't you? Yes, well, it's decision time, everybody. NZD weekly chart, long or short? Sure, then we can check the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart. But this is, remember everybody, one of the most important concepts in Forex trading is that the higher time frame controls the smaller time frame. So today is Wednesday. How are we going to make some pips and money? Long or short? Would like to wait for a retracement and short. Excellent. Jordan says short. What, and this is the most important thing today to understand, what pattern do you want to short, Jordan? Do you want to short the monthly bands? Do you want to short the market wave? Or do you want to short the downtrend? We learned in the previous lessons, everybody, how to identify an uptrend, how to identify a downtrend. We clarified to you what is a low, what is a high. We determined how to see uptrends, downtrends, right? So in this lesson, what is crucial for us as beginner traders to understand is that we have different tradable patterns, specific patterns, and those specific patterns have specific rules. Downtrend on the daily, very good. So we are going to clone the chart, everybody, and let's go on the daily. Daily chart. Everybody, do we agree that the market was in an uptrend, making higher highs, higher lows, and then it changed direction and we are in a downtrend right now? Agreed? Do we agree, everybody? Jordan, let's see how smart you are. If you are shorting a downtrend, where should your stop loss go? What's the price level? And everybody else too. FXFreedom, help us. Okay. If you are shorting a downtrend, should your stop loss be above this high? 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 Or should your stop loss be above this high? Or should your stop loss be above this high? Where should your stop loss be? And Jordan says above the most recent high. So this one, anybody else? You have a different visual, everybody? And, well, we didn't learn yet, but we have another tradable pattern, which is the downtrend line. So, congratulations to you, Jordan. Yes, sir. Everybody. Before that, we need to... So, let's connect, let's fight highs and lows first. Shall we? We're going to connect highs and lows. High to low, high to low, high to low, high to low, high to low. high to low, high to low, most of them, right? Most of them. High to low, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low. Most of them. We are connecting high to low, everybody. Almost there. We're connecting high to low, high to low, high to low, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, and finally we are here, right? Low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low. Everybody, where are we? EuroCAD, not this one, EuroCAD. Look in here, everyone. NZDCAD, NZDCAD, NZDCAD. Everybody look in here. Tell me, does the right side of your screen, does the right side of the screen looks familiar to you? Everybody? Does the right screen looks familiar to you? Somebody says, oh my gosh, right? Not on YouTube, but on the other streaming platform. Congratulations to you. Somebody's typing, oh my gosh, you got it right. Let's color code this. Let's color code this in red and transparent. Red and transparent. Red and transparent. Red, red, and transparent. Somebody's typing, oh my gosh, right? See everybody, this is theory, and this is a great example how the market works. And somebody who is typing, oh my gosh, most likely is seeing this and this and this. Most likely. On the theory side, the violet line equals to the yellow line on the live market. And the blue short-term downtrend, short-term uptrend, short-term downtrend equals to the red short-term downtrend, short-term uptrend, short-term downtrend. You got it right. Congratulations to you. To the trader who type, oh my gosh, congratulations to you. You got it right. Congratulations. Very good. Now what's the trick, everybody? Different patterns, and remember this is the daily chart, different patterns have different rules. So if Jordan wants to short the short-term downtrend, just an example, let's say that we have a counter trend line breaking here, just an example, the market makes lower lows, lower highs, breaks the counter trend line, then Jordan says correctly, stop loss goes above the most recent high. See everybody? Where if you would trade the market wave, right, from yesterday's lesson, the stop loss go on the previous end of extension, which is this one. Sorry, not end of extension, start of the extension. This in here this area in here, the circle, is the end of the retracement and start of the extension. What is the most important lesson today, everybody? You can trade and short or go long anyway, there is no right or wrong. You can trade different patterns, but if you're going to trade different patterns, you must obey the different patterns rules. Oh yes, but I don't want to hear yes but. If you come to the private class or whatever and you are saying, oh, I shorted the short-term downtrend, and I'm asking you, where is your stop loss? And you put your stop loss above the market wave, I'm going to tell you, well, this stop loss is on the wrong place. Oh yes, but I don't want to hear yes, but. Okay? We've all been there, we've all done this. What is the beginner trader way of thinking? You are going to enter here, shorting the short-term downtrend, and you are going to put the stop loss above the market structure called the market wave, and in a conversation you are going to say, well, yes, but this stop loss, it's better, you know, it's less risky. Which is true, but then we need to correct your pattern. You are not trading the short-term downtrend, you are trading the yellow market structure. And somebody is typing, oh, it's all the same. It's not all the same. It's absolutely not all the same. Because it's all related, beginner traders, to risk-reward ratio. If you are entering the market here, just an example, so, and the stop loss above the most recent high, this is your risk. And because if you want to risk €1, $1, $1 Bitcoin, what Shiba Inu, then you want to make minimum 2 Bitcoins, 2 euros, 2 Shiba Inu, 2 yen, 2 Brazilian real. Okay? Now, this is a beginner trader's mistake. It's all normal. Everybody, normal, we're all the same, this is how we learn, but a beginner trader would make a mistake on what? We as beginner traders, we tend to mix patterns. So, I'm going to enter in here, you know, and let's say that I'm going to put the stop loss in here, but remember, somebody type it's all the same, and I'm telling you it's not, absolutely not all the same. If my stop loss is above the market wave on the daily, this is going to be my stop loss. If you want to understand and learn why 90% of people, beginner traders, all around the world lose, this is one of them. I'm going to put the stop loss above the market structure. It's all the same. It's absolutely not all the same. Look, where should I profit take? Clone. Everybody? No, we are not judging anybody. Come on, you know, we are here to learn. Don't be shy, don't be scared. But tell me, you know, especially the guy on the other streaming platform, tell me, does this trade looks the same as this trade, everybody? Does those two trades look the same? And somebody's typing, oh, but if the market is going to fall, you are going to win anyway. Yes, but still there is a big difference. Everybody, why 90% of traders, beginner traders all around the world, this is one of them, all around the world lose? Is because if this would be the case of the stop loss and this would be the case of take profit, is because we, me too, back in time, we're all the same, we tend to take small profits. True or true? I'm not going even to say true or not true. True or true? We as beginner traders, because we are scared, we have no idea why this is happening, we tend to take smaller profits and we tend to have big losers. And what is happening to our account? Our account is going down and down and down and down. So what is the homework until tomorrow? Homework. Check your demo, hopefully check your demo account and try to identify if you are taking small profits in relation to the stop loss levels. Everybody, there are many reasons why we are not making it in the Forex market. This is one of them. Check your demo account and try to identify if you are taking small profits in relation to the stop loss level. How is this shown into the account, everybody? You could have, just an example, but it would be something like this, you know. You could have +5, +2, plus 1.7, +7, and then you would have -35. And then you have, so this is just one. See everybody, profit, bam, stop loss. Just an example, you know. Or then you can have +7, +12, -3, +17, +25, +27, +0.78, and then you have -57, -70, -78. Everybody, look at the relationship, look at the ratio between the winners and the losers. Lucas says not the same trade. Exactly. Everybody, if you can identify that you are taking small profits and you are, meaning you are not letting the winners run, you are letting the losers run really, then stop doing this. Make sense? You should not, and you cannot trade like this. Why? Because you are working, not you, everybody, we're all the same. We are working for nothing here. You know, we are working hard. We are working hard with analyzing the charts, analyzing the market, you know, and you win, and bam, then you give it back all to the market. +7, +12, -3, okay, +17, +25, +27, +0.78, bam, -57. And you are scratching your head, you know, how come? So I'm winning. This is really a real eye-opener, but it's difficult to understand in the beginning, everybody. So I'm winning more than I'm winning most of the time. I'm a 70% winner. How come I am not making any money? This is one. You are taking small profits in relation to the risk. Remember, everybody, when we're talking, you should never risk more than you make. But what we tend to do, everybody, what we tend to do, we tend to make a plan, right? We tend to make a plan that this is going to be my risk. And this is going to be my reward. It's a plan. It's a projection in my mind, right? It's a projection in our mind, everybody. So the market up and down, 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 and we are here. Counter trendline break. We are entering here, shorting the market. Stop loss in the correct place. You know, now this is the plan. I'm looking at the chart and I'm telling to myself, this is what I'm going to do. And the market goes my way, right? Something like this. And I'm winning whatever may be the case. You know, I'm winning 15 bucks, 33 bucks, 200 bucks, depends on the account. But then something like this starts to happen. True, somebody is laughing. True or not true? I'm seeing my profits getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And instead us staying in the trade, what do we do 90% of the time? Let's be honest here. This is all normal, everybody. We are programmed like this. It's not even your fault, make sense? It's not even your fault, everybody. Believe me, you are going to learn more of this in the Forex course 202. The Forex course 202, it's more about the institutional trading, and it's more about the psychological part. In here you are going to learn why are we doing this, how are we programmed, you know. The Forex course 101, it's most about the technical stuff. The Forex course 202, it's the professional trader course. Okay? So you are going to learn that it's not even your fault. We are programmed like this. Now tell me, everybody, what most of the time what we do here as beginner traders? Should we stay in, you know, oh, everything is normal, or are we start to stressing out? We are seeing our profits getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And we click the mouse and we get out. Now look at the quadrants, everybody. Focus on the quadrants. This was our plan. This was our plan. And when we closed our trade with our... But I closed it in profit, boss! Yes, you did. But look at the risk-reward ratio. Look at everybody's going to take some time, right? We are not getting this in the first lesson. So download this recording, watch this lesson 2 or 3 times. This is our plan. This is how this trade should go. Agreed? But then in the next day or in the evening or in the morning, we are ending our trade like this. But somebody saying, oh, but it's a winner. Doesn't really matter. We are taking small profits, and this is one trade, everybody, that is just an example, right? It depends on how big is your account. Plus 317. Just an example, right? And then we find another trade that for us to enter, another trade, just an example. We are going to enter here, counter trendline break, clone, another trade. We are going to enter here. This is our stop loss, just an example, but the market is not going to go in our favor. The market goes against us from the beginning. How many of us wait and pray to God, oh please God, you know, reverse the trade, oh please God, help me, you know, or you are smart, you know, and you have a big ego like I did, you know, oh this trade is going to reverse, you know, oh I have a down Fibonacci, I have a down stochastic, I have a bunch of indicators that are telling me that the market is going to reverse, and I'm staying in a losing trade. Make sense? And when the market hits my stop, just graphically, if this was 317, and this is what, 20%, so my stop is going to be more than 1,000, whatever, you know, minus 1,116, whatever. Because we know that we are going to have losing trades. Using the stop loss being clear on the pattern that you are trading, everybody. See why the account is not moving? You know, I'm a trader, right? I'm winning more than I have more winning trade than losing trade. If you are risking more than you are making, if you tend to take small profits, come on, if you tend to take small profits, you can trade as much as you want, you are going nowhere. Does this make sense to everybody? So, oh, but I'm a winner, oh, but I'm a winner. You know, one big loser that is going to go against you and me, we're all the same. We're trying to learn how this market works. One big loser that is going against us and we are done. We are back to zero. And this is the first stumbling block in a beginner trader to understand. So you open a demo account, you start and you go winner, 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 loser, loser, winner, 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 loser, loser, winner, winner, loser, winner, loser, winner, loser, winner, 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 big loser. We are going nowhere. True or not true? Somebody saying, how can you help us? I'm going to show everybody in the end. I'm not sure if I have a picture ready. Okay, if you want to learn this faster, we have private classes, but this is in the end, alright? True. And this is normal, everybody. Remember, it's not even your fault. We were programmed like this, like a program, makes sense? So, back to the lesson. What is the lesson today? It doesn't really matter what you are trading, monthly bands, the market wave on the daily, ends indicated today being the example, or the uptrend or the downtrend. Like Jordan says, okay, I'm going to short the market on the daily. You need to learn the specific rules of the pattern. Okay, everybody, Euro GBP, right? Euro GBP weekly chart. And then we're going to move on the 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever. Euro GBP weekly chart. Tomorrow, everybody, you have Euro GBP news, right? Tell me, should you go long? Should you go short? What would you do? How would you trade this? Lucas is saying, destroying is easier than building. Most of us beginner traders, we have no consciousness of doing this. We are not conscious. Sure, this was me back in time too, sure. I was working like hell. I was 70-75% winning rate. But my account would lose and lose and lose and lose, and I didn't get it. You know? Advanced traders, sure enough, professional, we understand this. But as a beginner trader, you have no clue, you know? So check your demo account and check the numbers. Alex says long. Okay, great. What pattern? What pattern? So, and this is the monthly chart, everybody. If we go on the weekly chart, daily chart, daily chart. Teacher Alex, why would you go long on something that is down? Everybody, do we agree that we are in a downtrend? Euro GBP daily chart. Are we or are we not in a downtrend? Everybody? No, there is no right or wrong, you know. You are my teacher, I'm the student. Alex says, long Jordan look like it's a support. If it breaks, wait for the retest and short the downtrend. Very good. You can short the downtrend. So teacher Alex, question for you. There is no right or wrong. Why are you long on a downtrend? And teacher Jordan, why are you shorting consolidation? Isn't this risky? Oh, he's tricking us. No, he's tricking us again. So if you want to short the market, everybody, you are the teacher, I'm the student, I'm going to ask you, teacher, isn't shorting consolidation, and we are here right now, risky? Isn't this risky? And if you say, well, I want to go long, I'm going to ask you, teacher, isn't going long right now, because we have a downtrend, isn't this risky? What's the answer? Because it is a lower band. So what? It was at the lower band here too. See, Alex? The market was here at the lower band too. And it went up and then it went back down. Oh, he's tricking us, you know. Yeah, I am tricking you, everybody. I want you to learn. There is no right or wrong. You need to learn the rules. And you cannot escape the why question, you know, the why question. Teacher, isn't it risky to short consolidation? Teacher Jordan, question for you. Isn't it risky to short the market right now? Shouldn't we go long? And teacher Alex, isn't it risky to go long right now when we clearly see that the market it's in a downtrend? And remember, everybody, we are getting again to the skill that you must learn with time. It's going to take some time. It's called probabilistic thinking. Probabilistic thinking. So if I go long right now, everybody, is this a high probability? There is no right or wrong, but if I go long right now on the daily chart, is this a high probability trade, Alex, or is this a small probability trade? Jordan says yes, right now it's risky. Very good. Teacher Alex, if I buy this market right now, is this small probability or is this high probability? And Alex says true, yes, it's risky. So what should we do? What should we do, everybody? Oh, he's tricking us, you know. Tradable patterns have different stop loss levels, right? So what's the solution, everybody? You can, and again, watch this webinar, watch these recordings 2 or 3 times, right? As a matter of fact, watch all the webinars 2 or 3 times. So it doesn't really matter on what chart you are, okay? If you want to go long, you are not going to go long on a downtrend, you are going long on the sideways channel, makes sense? Or stay out, absolutely true, because we have a news announcement tomorrow. Stay out and wait for another pattern. See everybody, you are not going to understand this today. It's going to take some time. Somebody is going to say it's the same, but you must understand that it's not the same, that when we do this we are mixing patterns. Okay? So let's go step by step. You are on the daily chart and you are seeing a downtrend, right? Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. You cannot go long on the downtrend, but you can go long on the consolidation. Make sense? And somebody would say, oh, but this is the same. It's not. Based on the consolidation rules, your stop loss must be, so if it starts from here, must be 15 pips, 15 points below the lower low. So the stop loss, if we take okay, not this one, if we take this one in consideration, this low in here, let's make it smaller. So this in here being the lowest low of the consolidation, stop loss goes somewhere in here, from where we are going long. Make sense, everybody? So if you say, well, we have double bottoms and we do, and you say, okay, I'm buying consolidation on the daily chart, which are the bands, then this is the stop loss, and you can do this right now. Right now, why not? You have double bottoms. This double bottoms, it's a signal. Make sense? But if you are on the same chart keyword and you say, okay, I'm on the daily chart and I'm going long on the short-term trend, you can't. Oh, but it's the same level. Yes, but it's a different pattern. If you go long on consolidation, you have a place where to put the stop loss. Make sense? If you go long on the downtrend, where are you going to put the stop loss? Somebody's telling me, oh, right, this is something valuable to learn. This makes sense to me. So before you go long on the trend, you need to wait for the market to break this high, or make minimum to lows to highs, but still, you know, the market is going to wave. So you need to wait. If you want to go long on the short-term trends or the market wave, whatever, you need to wait, number one, for the market to reverse. Until the market reverses, this market short-term is still down. Agreed, everybody? It looks like the same, but it's not. Why not? Because we are applying different rules. And one more golden nugget for the traders who are thinking, oh, it's all the same. If you are going to win on consolidation, you are going to win on the short-term trend too. Everybody, what makes the money to the trader? Let's make a poll. What makes money? What makes money? Let's see how smart you are, right? What makes money to the trader? A, entry. B, trade management. C, take profit. D, stop loss. Let's have fun, everybody. What do you think? What makes money to the trader? If you are thinking, well, I am going long on the short-term trend, I'm going long on the downtrend, or I am going long on the bands, if you think that this is all the same, what do you think, what makes money to the trader? The entry, the trade management, the take profit, or the stop loss level? What makes money to the trader? Let's see how smart you are, everybody. And don't worry, we are here to learn. We have 5 more minutes. Teacher Alex, Teacher Jordan, Teacher Lucas, and everybody else online. What do you think? What makes money to the trader? Just one. You can choose just one, everybody. Just one. Just one. All of them know. Alex says stop loss. Just one. Jordan, all of them know. What makes money to the trader? Alex says stop loss. Everybody, if you think that those entries are all the same, you need to learn this concept. It's really a rule. Teacher Lucas, Teacher Jordan, Teacher Samantha, what do you think? There is no right or wrong, everybody. We are here to learn. Don't be shy. And in the meantime, let me see. In the meantime, everybody, let me see. Let me see the picture. Well, this is for later, okay? Jordan, trade management. No, everybody, what makes money? And you might be not believe right now, okay? You might say, well, this is BS. Okay? You can accept what we're teaching you. You can reject what we're teaching you. You can say, I don't believe this. You know, this is impossible. What makes money to the trader, everybody, is the stop loss. The stop loss. Okay? And here is why. If you have consolidation, okay, and inside this consolidation you have a market wave, just an example, and inside the market wave you have the short-term trends, okay, just an example again, and there is no right or wrong either way. Some traders are going to go long on the blue, which is okay, it's a tradable pattern, and is going to put the stop loss in here. Somebody else, you know, is going to trade the black one, the market wave, and is going to put the stop loss in here. Okay? Somebody else is going to put the stop loss below or above consolidation. Okay, which is here. So this is the consolidation line, right? Let's make it purple and purple. Okay, there is no right or wrong, but somebody is going to put the stop loss down here. Okay, what is the lesson today? One more time. Specific patterns have specific rules on how to enter and where the stop loss goes. Okay, so you have 3 traders looking at the same chart, and somebody is going to enter the market and is going to trade the blue one, the short-term trend, and the market is going to stop him out. Tell me, everybody, is the market wave, being the yellow one, is the market wave, this is just an example, is the market wave pattern And is the consolidation pattern, are those two patterns still valid, yes or no? Watch these webinars 2 or 3 times, yes sir. And we lose less when we stop losing in the right place, yes sir. Okay, so it's not the same. The winning side, somebody saying, yeah, but the winning side, true, the winning side is the same, right? But risk-reward ratio is different. But the losing side of the trade, it's completely different from what pattern we are trading. So if you are trading the short-term downtrend or uptrend and you lose on the trade, nothing wrong, you did your job, but this trade entered at the same place, he's still in the trade. And just an example, let's say the market goes down and stops you out on the market wave again. Is the trader who is trading consolidation, like the third different pattern, still in the game? So see everybody, those patterns and those entries are absolutely not the same. What makes money to the trader is the stop loss. Okay, somebody say, how can you help us picture? If you want quicker results and not waste 2, 3, 4 years to figure out the market, ask for private lessons of the Forex course 101. If you want, everybody, no need, you know, this course, it's totally for free. Okay, if you're an advanced trader, if you've been trading for 2, 3, 4 years, 5 years, not uncommon, and you are not making it, you know, if you want consistent result, learn the mindset and the hard set of the pro, ask for the Forex course 202, also called Advanced Trader Development Program. If you've been around the block for 3 years and you are not making it, this course is a must. Why? Because you are not stupid. Yeah, you are lacking some specific knowledge, and this knowledge is your next level. And if you want, from the YouTube channel, you can also join the New York session, trade setups, whatever, okay? Bottom line, everybody, not for the beginner trader, but if you are an advanced trader trying for 2, 3 years, 4 years with no success, if your way is not working, why don't you try ours? Make sense, everybody? I mean, this is common sense, right? I've been trying for 5 years and I don't have any consistent results. Well, why don't you try our way? You know? And that being said, everybody, stay strong and see you back tomorrow. Stay strong and trade for freedom. This is FX Freedom.